Kiosk mode configuration in an embedded Windows environment. Example for medical devices, ATMs, point of sale terminals, or industrial control systems involve restricting the user interface so only one or a limited set of applications are accessible, preventing access to the desktop settings or any other OS features. Here is a comprehensive guide to configuring kiosk mode on an embedded Windows OS like Windows 10 or 11, IoT Enterprise or Windows Embedded Standard. Objectives of kiosk mode: lock down the system to a single app or a few apps, prevent user tampering with the OS, improve security and reliability in a controlled environment. Methods to configure kiosk mode: access, assigned access, single app kiosk, best for UWP Universal Windows Platform apps. Step by step, create a standard user account for kiosk. Net user, kiosk user, password/add. Assign UWP app to kiosk user. Go to settings, accounts, other users. Click set up a kiosk, assigned access. Choose the user, kiosk user and the app. Example Microsoft Edge kiosk mode. Start and sign in as a kiosk user. Limitations: supports only UWP apps. Minimal customization. Shell launcher Windows 10 or 11 IoT Enterprise embedded. Use Shell launcher to replace Explorer.exe with your custom app Win32 or UWP. Enable Shell launcher. Enable feature if not enabled. DASM/online slash enable hyphen feature slash feature name colon client hyphen embedded shell launcher slash all. Configure using PowerShell or WMI. Dollar namespace is equal double quote roots backslash standards CI MV2 backslash embedded. Dollar class is equal to get hyphen WMI object hyphen namespace dollar namespace hyphen class WESL underscore user setting. Replace shell for kiosk user dollar class dot set custom shell parenthesis double quote kiosk user comma double quote C colon backslash path to your app.exe comma empty double quotes close parenthesis 0 close parenthesis. Disable default shell for the kiosk user dollar class dot set default shell parenthesis double quote kiosk user comma dollar false. Restart system and login as kiosk user. Group policy or local security policy for lockdown. Lockdown features: disable task manager, remove run, explorer and control panel, prevent registry access, group policy for local computer policy, user configuration, administrative template system, disable control all del options, run only specified Windows applications, hide specified drives in my computer, registry tweaks optional, advanced. Example HT underscore local underscore machine backslash software backslash Microsoft backslash Windows NT backslash current version backslash bin logon. Double quote shell is equal double quote C colon double backslash par double backslash to double backslash your app.exe. Auto logon optional for embedded devices. Use netpl viz or registry. HT underscore local underscore machine backslash software backslash Microsoft backslash Windows NT backslash current version backslash win logon. Double quote auto admin logon is equal to double quote 1. Double quote default username is equal to double quote kiosk user. Double quote default password is equal to double quote password. Security hardening checklist embedded environment. Apply STAGS benchmarks for embedded Windows. Disable all unused services. Use App Locker or WDAC. Windows Defender application control. Enable BitLocker or EFS for device security. Regularly patch OS if internet is available via WSUS or offline. Testing tips: test in a VM first before deploying to production hardware. Ensure watchdog or recovery mechanism is in place in case app crashes. Documentation files and logs. Shell launcher config file optional XML percentage system root percentage backslash system 32 backslash WSL config.xml. Logs: use event viewer, application logs for app crashes and security logs for logon auditing. Optional tools: Windows Configuration Designer for provisioning packages, MDM solutions for mass deployment, group policy object templates, custom lockdown policies.